Ngayong Sabado,
Humanda ka.
Minsan na lang ako kikita na malaki tapos suhold upin yung
Hindi pera mo kailangan namin. Dugo mo.
pero bakit di siya malapitan?
Hindi siyang gagalawin.
Malupit pa ng resback niya.
Sir, maraming salamat po, sir. Niligtas niyo yung buhay ko.
Parang hindi naman kami nagligtas sa'yo. Kamuya mo.
Pero nang maligo,
Ano ba yan?
iba na ang problema.
Ngayong gwapo ka na, sasabihin ko sa'yo ang magiging problema mo.
Vampire ang Daddy Ko. Sabado pagkatapos ng One Day, Isang Araw.
New Coca-Cola mismo, 10 pesos lang.
Ang haba na ng hair nyo, ah! Sa maliit na puhunan, big time na rin kami. Dahil ang holiday cheese dog footlong, pakeso ang kahaba, kaya big time! May longganisa footlong din! I made this for you.
Stop sore throat before it gets worse. Bactidol kills germs on contact and shields for up to 12 hours. Use Bactidol.
Cheese Whiz! Sa Cheese Whiz, may lasang gusto namin at may calcium milk goodness that has the same nutrients as a glass of milk. Kaya approve ko din. Cheese Whiz, sarap at sustansyang approve namin. Now in a new Easy Squeeze pouch.
As the world's #1, I have to keep a cool head. No matter how heated it gets, I can always give my best. That's why I use Head & Shoulders Cool Blast.
Now for men, it leaves you up to 100% dandruff-free forever for days, weeks, and months. And gives you that longer lasting cooling. Now for men, Head & Shoulders Cool Blast.
P&G.
You only need 1 scoop of Ariel to remove stains completely.
Up to 6 scoops of several detergents plus bar and brush can't beat the superior stain removal of 1 scoop of Ariel.
Kaya, tipid. That's my Ariel. What's yours?
What is that smell? Ew, humahalo lang sa amoy.
Ambipure Air Effects with 4 times more odor-eliminating ingredients, so it doesn't mix with the odors.
Ang bango.
Angat ang freshness.
Ang Mang Inasal Chicken,
It's amazing! Fantastic!
ang hita at paa pinagsama sa Mang Inasal. Kaya naman 2-in-1 sa laki at sarap. May only rice pa. 99 pesos lang.
Nobody saw it coming! May Western Union 12 padala sale. 20 na lang ang padala ng 1,000. Kaya go na tayo!
Line!
Line brings you closer. Free call and message. Download now.
Pag nagkakalagnat si Miguel, para sa akin, wala nang dapat pag-usapan pa, kundi ang #1 fever and pain medicine for children. Tempra, trusted by doctors and mothers like me. Di tulad ng iba, ang Tempra ay no-shake syrup. Di na kailangan i-shake para maging mabisa. Mabilis tumalab, mabilis magpagaling. Walang shake-shake. Walang kaba, walang duda, wala nang lagnat. Para sa akin, basta lagnat, Tempra lang ang katapat.
At Tokyo Tokyo, there's a taste of Japan for everyone, every day. With so many flavors to choose from, you can have a Ben today and a Ben tomorrow. Make every day a Ben today.
Vitamin E for beautiful skin. Vitamin A so I can see everything. For more energy to create vitamin B. Turin to learn more and more every day. Lysine para kasing lusog ni Kuya. Tangkad ng basketball player from Chlorella. Vitamin C para iwas sakit. We get all these vitamins when we take Propan TLC. Kang sa laki, tamang lakas. Tamang ninanangitip. Propan TLC. Tamang lusog for children.
SMS Super Jumbo Hotdog. Ang hanap na juiciness at tenderness. Sa presyong happiness.
For business! Sesame hotdog! Sesame hotdog!
Mula sa Andox ang bagong adobo rice toppings.
My doctor said for women like us over 50, we need a higher dose of B complex. Neurogen E has what I need. A higher dose of B complex plus vitamin, all at an affordable price. So you can do more and be more with Neurogen E.
Si Baby, tuloy-tuloy na ang pagtulog hanggang umaga. Thanks to new Pampers Comfort. Naglalak ng wetness para touch dry si Baby hanggang umaga. One Pampers, one dry night.
The new McSpicy. Spice just right to spice up your day.
Ang katapat ng sakit, gasto sa doktor, gasto sa gamot, gasto sa pasahe. Mag-Safeguard araw-araw. Removes 99% of germs. Only 16 pesos. Mag-Safeguard araw-araw para iwas sakit, iwas gastos.
Happy Fiesta Day! Ang hugasin ng buong barangay kaya ng 10 piso sa Shane and Joy. Oo naman! Dahil sa dami ng hugasin, haluin natin ang laman ng 10 pisong Joy sa 1 litrong tubig. At ubusin natin ito. Ayan! Ubus na! Ilang plato na hugasan ng isang 10 pisong sa Shane? Hindi ako makapaniwala! 1,032 na plato! Mula ngayon, Barangay Joy na kami!
P&G.
Sali na sa Project Recyclas! Ipunin na ang mga tank packs! I-recycle para gawing silya pang-eskwela! For details, visit tanggalingclub.com!
My hair, perfect siya dito. Pero pagdating dito, sobrang damaged.
Pantene discovered that the oldest, most damaged part of hair is the tips. They need intensive conditioning. Pantene's Daily Intensive Conditioner has 80% more conditioning ingredient that gives up to 100% damage protection all the way to the tips.
Ang na-discover ko, severe damage needs an intensive conditioner. Para from here to here, maintain ang ganda.
Pantene Daily Intensive Conditioner, also available in sachets.
P&G.
Represented by me and you. It's like